Experiment number 7, determination of sedimentation volume of zinc oxide suspensions with effect of different concentrations of single suspending agent. Aim of this experiment is to determine sedimentation volume of zinc oxide suspensions with effect of different concentrations of single suspending agent. Requirements: chemicals like zinc oxide powder, carboxymethyl cellulose, tragacanth and distilled water. Apparatus like mortar, pestle and measuring cylinder. Theory behind this experiment is suspensions are heterogeneous systems consisting of two phases. The dispersed or internal phase is made up of particulate matter that is essentially insoluble in but dispersed throughout the continuous or external phase, which is generally a liquid. A suspension is a type of dispersion in which the internal phase consisting of solid particles having a specific size range is dispersed uniformly throughout the external phase with the aid of a single or a particular combination of suspending agent or agents. When solid particles that constitute the internal phase are pharmaceutically useful and or biologically active, the system is known as pharmaceutical suspension. Suspending agents retard settling and agglomeration of the particles by functioning as an energy barrier, which minimizes interparticle attraction. The general choice of suspending agents includes protective colloid and viscosity inducing agents. Stokes' law. It is an expression describing the resisting force on a particle moving through a viscous liquid and showing that maximum velocity is reached in such cases. Example, for an object falling under gravity through a fluid. As the concentration of suspending agent increases, sedimentation volume and viscosity of suspension increases. Higher viscosity results in lower sedimentation efficiency. Procedure: prepare 100 ml each of 5% zinc oxide suspension in water containing different concentrations of single suspending agent as follows. Weigh 5 gram of zinc oxide and different concentration of any one suspending agent transferred to a mortar and triturate with small amount of water, approximately 30 to 50 ml, to make a paste. Make up total volume to 100 ml with remaining water. Prepare one suspension of zinc oxide as a control without any suspending agent. Shake well all suspensions and leave them for sedimentation. Note down the volume of sediment in each of measuring cylinder at definite time intervals of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 minutes. Determine the sedimentation volume, that is F. Plot graph of sedimentation volume F versus time for each suspending agent. Observations and observation table. In observations, you have to mention original volume of suspensions, that is a V0, that is up to 100 ml. Different concentrations of suspending agent. In observation table, first column, in that you have to mention time in minutes starting from 10 to 60 minutes. Second column, that is simple zinc oxide suspension. In this column, you have to mention volume of sediment at time t minutes. Also you have to calculate sedimentation volume, that is a F. Same you have to calculate and mention for the remaining suspensions along with their concentrations of suspending agent. Calculations. Sedimentation volume is calculated by using formula F is equal to VU upon V0, where VU, volume of sediment at time t in minutes, V0 is the original volume of suspension, and F is the sedimentation volume. Lastly, you can write the result in this way. The better concentration of a suspending agent you can mention with its F value in comparison with the remaining. Thank you.